Hello all, and what to say, welcome to my channel. Will be very fast. This in front of me is Alienware Optima 16-inch screen. I'm sorry for shaking recording because I am in the field. I am not on place where I usually recording videos, so sorry. I have only my mobile phone and my hand to keep phone. As you can see, boot USB is in. I need to install this. Let's say my friend called me and I tried to explain him over phone what to do, but it did not help because it's powering on. I will select boot, as you can see. So he wanna install Windows 11 because he got free DOS with it and he have license at Windows 11. So he wanna install that Windows. When you select F12 was to get to this menu, and you can use F12 for getting into BIOS and other tools. So this is as well how you select from what device you wanna boot. I will select now Windows 11 USB boot. So let's wait till it run. Here we are. So I will just use next to be quick. Install Windows 11, no, previous version. Why I select previous version? I mean, you will get same error, don't worry. I select previous version to get this menu. So after this menu, to get into selection of what version of Windows 11 I want, because my USB stick contain more than one version. It's good to you, like you can see here, Pro, Enterprise, and so I will select Enterprise. Next, I accept, customize it. So I want to delete all from Windows files and so, and voila, no drive detected. That wouldn't be big issue, but as I said, I couldn't explain to my friend over phone. I did, but he couldn't find how solution. And Alienware need longer than 5 seconds press on power button to shut down. So now I will go into BIOS. Again F12, as you can see, I tapping it. And there is BIOS, as you can see. So enter BIOS, I will close. So you see, and here immediately to say, this BIOS is original Dell BIOS. So believe me, new Dell computers, whichever you buy, you will see same BIOS, same options, everything just same. And I told him here in storage, or it will be to change type of, but nothing is there. And many of you don't see this button here in corner. Look at it. Off. Now you see usual. I recorded once about these options. Select this, yes. Apply changes. No custom, okay. Exit, and again F12 to boot from USB. This will not be installation Windows 11 installation video. It's just to show you. So again we are inside setup of 11. I will just go quick next. Again previous versions of setup. If I don't select previous version of it, it will automatically install same version as it is found on this computer, but nothing is found on this computer, so it will not install anything. There is no drive. Enterprise, next. I accept, next. Customize it. Look at now. All disks are there. Since Windows are installed, Windows 11, I already installed everything and then got idea to record this. I will shut down computer now. And that would be all from me in this quick video. But thank you for watching and subscribe, like, bye bye.